Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos meat. Start with 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet. Brown it over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, make sure to drain all the excess fat. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more enjoyable nacho experience. Now for the flavor, add 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning to the brown beef. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of water. Stir everything together really well, ensuring the seasoning coats all the meat. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the liquid has mostly evaporated. Continue to simmer the meat mixture until most of the liquid has reduced and the sauce thickens. This concentrates the flavors beautifully. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if you like. Once it's ready, keep the meat warm until you're ready for assembling your delicious nachos. For an even healthier option, try using lean ground beef. You can also enhance the flavor by adding diced onions or bell peppers while browning the meat. This easy method ensures perfectly seasoned nacho meat every time. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.